It's been a long time since I've had to say that. I'm hungry. Wait to the weekend, but it's holding up pretty good. Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel and this video. I am Tish and I'm so glad to have you here. I am a creative full-time working mom who loves to talk to her friends about productivity, lifestyle, and creativity. I am always creating something and I do it out of necessity sometimes, and it's relaxing. So I usually film some of my things that I create here on my channel. Today, it's not going to be a sit down. It's not going to be me creating something, or maybe it will be. I just figured I would go ahead and pick up the camera and vlog some content for you. And actually, vlogs are my favorite. I don't do many of them, so I said I'm going to do it. Today I am at work, and it's a regular work day. I'm actually in the office, and I don't know if we have too many things planned for the day, but whatever it is, I'm bringing you along. Okay, so this unit in my building, especially in my office, is really loud. So that's what you're going to hear in the background. It's whistling and all. But I wanted to share this with you. I have been loving key fobs, and I really love animal print, don't you? So this is one that I made, and I am really contemplating, well, I'm not contemplating, but I am wanting to put these on my website, shoptishb.com. This little thing has come in handy. I think it's cute, perfect for my keys. And then, let's see, I've added this cute little tassel and a crown charm to it. I love it. So I am thinking about adding these to my website, and it was so fun to make these. For work today, I kept it pretty casual. I have my beautiful Kendra Scott hot pink earrings. I love these. And this green cardigan, another pop of color. And this dress that has the, what would you call it? Pleats? I don't know if it's picking up on camera. And a day wouldn't be complete without pearls. And I just have my favorite daily arm candy on, and I paired it with these very, very strappy sandal heels. Love these. Very comfortable. I can move around in this outfit, and it's very simple and will do for the day. carry lots of notebooks with me. I love notebooks and journals. I'll start a journal, put it to the side, see something else cute and want to write in that one. The problem is I'll have notes in so many different places. So what I've decided to do, and I showed this dino in a previous video, but it gives this cute vintagey label to things versus the regular, you know, flat label. So that I'll keep track of the books that I write in. I've labeled them. Can you see? So this is one that I keep in my planner in the back. And just so I'll know for sure, this is the one that I'm going to write lists in. I did this because I saw another long jotter and I started to write lists in it, and I was like, you know what? I don't need to have 2 or 3 different notebooks doing the same thing. And then I have another one that I keep that I've been writing specific things in anyway. And I've just labeled that one inspiration. So if I have inspirational quote or thought, if I want to challenge myself to do something, I know that I'll go to this one. But I thought that was a really neat thing to do. And can you see the label? You know, it's raised. I love that. And I have it in, I want to say that it could be gold or rose gold. So, tip, if you're anything like me and you keep journals and you find yourself writing in so many different books, you know, label them and give them a designation. So I have one that I use for work calls and work notes. I have not labeled it yet. This one right here. So I think I am going to go ahead and add the label to it. It's now time to go and pick up my girls from school. Come on. Not cooking tonight. We're not gonna eat in. It's beautiful. Well, it's kind of rainy, but we're gonna go eat dinner and come in, take our showers, and call it a night. Ready to eat. I'm getting hangry. Been outside waiting for the husband, and we're still waiting.
Bless the peace. Lord, thank you for the food that we've received in your son body. Thank you for this name.
Amen. nails is wet. Okay, we have made it in from dinner and I have to go to the store, but I wanted to share with you before I ended the vlog this gel polish kit that I ordered on Amazon. This is my first time ordering gel polishes, and you know by now that I do the press-on nails, and I might have like 1 or 2 gel polishes that I've used, but I wanted to share with you what came in here, and I've already tried it out on my daughter's nails. I like it a lot, and I think, let me see if I can get it up here. I think I'm going to order more, and I am not sponsored at all. I just really like what was sent to me. But I think I'm going to say Abrit. I don't know. But it comes with 20 colors, and these are all really nice colors. And here is the size bottle. You know, when you buy the gel polishes like this, they're miniature. So here is the size, and the colors are very pigmented. You see that? They're very pigmented. So I just wanted to share this, and in addition to the colors, you get the enhanced base coat. This one is just a regular base coat. Now I don't know what the difference is between the enhanced and the regular base coat. Here is a matte top coat. That should be fun. And a top coat. So I think to receive those in all of these colors is a great deal. And it was maybe about $25 on Amazon. Friends, I'm going to call it a vlog here. It is now nighttime. We are tired. We're ready to shower and go to bed for the night. I am getting ready to help my daughter set up her vlogging camera. It's just an old camera that I already had, and I have not used it. Never ever used it, I don't think. And you know, she really wants to play around with it, so I'm going to help her get that set up. We're going to go upstairs, call it a night, and start all over tomorrow. So here is the uneventful day that I shared with you, but I wanted to get something out to you, as I'm promising to send videos Sundays and Wednesdays with a little poppy in here and there on Saturdays. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and let me know what your day was like down in the comment area. And until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.